Hi guys, I am Jiha and welcome to my channel. Are you ready to take your video content to the next level? In this tutorial, you will learn how to create stunning split text in minutes. Join me as I walk you through the steps to elevate your videos with eye-catching typography. Let's transform your content and leave your viewers in awe. Video projects and type your text here. Go to headings. First, I will type here animated. Change the color into white. Now go to font and change the font here, whatever font you want. Increase the size of it and just go to share button and download it as a PNG into transparent background. Just drag and drop it here. Now again type your text. I will change the color of it into red. Change the color of your text into red. Increase the size of it and change the font. I will change this font. Now go to share button and download it also as a PNG. Now again I will type a text here and change the color into blue. And change the font also. Increase the size of it and go to share button, download it also as a PNG with transparent background and bring this text into your uploads just by dragging it. Now we have our text here. We will just change the background of our video and go to uploads and bring this text here. We will crop it from the sides and increase the size of it. I will just crop it from below and make a copy of it and put it here. Now crop it from the top of this text. Now we will click the page and duplicate this page. Here we will just click our text and bring it below, and click the top text and bring it here. Now we will bring our second text split here and just crop it from the sides and increase the size of it and bring it in the middle of the text. As you can see, the distance from the both sides are equal. Now again we will crop it from below and make a copy of it and crop it from here. Again duplicate this page and we will just select these text and bring it down, and we will select this text and bring on top. And now we will bring our third text here, crop it from the sides, decrease the size of it and place it between the split text. As you can see, the distance from both sides are equal. Now we will just click on our first text and go to timings and decrease it to 2.5 and click on apply to all pages and click between the pages and select match and move transition and select apply between all pages. Now we will play our animation. Simply, so this is how you can create animated split text in just minutes. And now we will duplicate our first page and select our text and go to the animation and select the tumble. I will decrease the intensity, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.